Zinzino BalanceOil Plus, all natural flavors. Create a healthy omega-6-3 balance and help protect your body's cells from rusting. Our BalanceOil Plus does this through its premium blend of oils, derived from the highest quality wild-caught fish oil or the marine microalgae 𝐡𝐞𝐽, and pre-harvested extra virgin olive oil. High in omega-3, EPA and DHA, olive polyphenols, and vitamin D3. BalanceOil Plus has only all-natural ingredients. The fish oil from wild-caught small fish, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Vitamin D3 is derived from a natural source, and it contains only natural flavors. ZinoBiotic is a tailored blend of 5 natural dietary fibers. ZinoBiotic Plus has now 3 new sources of fiber: resistant starch from potato, resistant starch from green bananas, guar gum from Indian guar beans, and it has no excipients. It is gluten-free and contains 1 to 3, 1 to 4 beta-glucan from oat. We provide best-in-class, test-based, scientifically proven nutritional supplements, which uses active nutrients from food to fight the imbalance in our modern lifestyle. Extend contains, among other things, Extend Plus has only vitamins derived from natural sources: vitamin C from acerola, B vitamins from buckwheat, magnesium from seawater. We have added boron. We have reduced amount of excipients with 60%. Vegan vitamin D3, all natural excipients derived from rice hull and potato starch. We use coconut as an anti-caking agent. It comes in plant-based capsules instead of tablets. And on top of this, we have 3 different 1 to 3, 1 to 6 beta-glucans from US, Norway, and Asia. Best results from BalanceOil Plus start with our unique balance test. It measures your omega-6-3 balance. Our certified laboratories are responsible for analyzing the dried blood spot tests for 11 fatty acids in the blood. We have performed over 500,000 analyses, making our database the world's largest of its kind. 3 products that support multiple health benefits, both short and long-term. 1. Balance. Adjust your body's omega-3 levels and support a normal heart and brain function. 2. Restore. Help your gut stay healthy and contribute to support the growth of healthy bacteria. 3. Boost. Improve your energy and support your immune system. We call this the Zinzino Health Protocol.